All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at some more English phonics. So fan, fan, yeah. Or let's have a look. Another fan. No. Okay, yeah. Fan, 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 and staff, not staff. Yeah, employees, people that work there, or even a staff like a stick. Like a stick here, staff. Or people that work at a business, people that work somewhere. Staff. Yes. Phone. PH, not PH only. Phone. 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 And laugh. GH, not loud. Laugh. GH, laugh. Laugh. There we are. Look at that. Laugh. Laugh. Very good. Laugh. Yeah. How cool is that? Laugh. And giraffe. Not giraffe. Not giraffe. Giraffe. Yeah, here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Giraffe. Giraffe. F. So fan. Staff. Staff. Phone. Phone. Laugh. Here we are. Laugh. Laugh. And giraffe. Giraffe. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.